ever had your debit card bounce in the grocery store and you had to put a bunch of things back because you only have so much in cash? Asking for a friend. But no, I got caught by a phishing email and then had to cancel my debit card and spaced out, so today we're going to be making a cheap-ass meal. Hi guys, I'm the Bard, and you might know me from some other films such as The Long-Winded Bard, The Boring-Ass Bard, and What the Hell This Guy Doesn't Know What He's Doing. I have 2.5 hours of content here. I'm just going to cut it all. I'm going to give you the short version. The chicken dumplings recipe was amazing, and it consists of the chicken. Boil it in salt water, not much salt, just boil it, boil the hell out of it. If you want to use the soup for dumplings, you just add a little bit of salt, probably celery salt because then it adds flavor. Maybe chicken bouillon if you want extra stuff. I didn't have it on hand, so I didn't use it, and that's not also in the classic recipe. And then once you've got the salt or celery salt, boil the hell out of the chicken. You can do that for anywhere from 20 minutes to about 2 days. Depends on how crazy you are. It gets a lot more flavor the longer you go, but if you use chicken stock or chicken bouillon, 20 minutes is fine, you'll have all the flavor in there. Boil the dumplings, which are just kneaded flour, egg, and a little bit of salt, and that's your dumpling. It's that simple. If you got your flour, salt, and egg, you just knead that together. That creates a dough. Rip it into small pieces. That's your dumplings. Boil those in the chicken stock. Take the chicken out of it. And then once they float, they're done. That's it. Throw them in a bowl. I add a little bit of chicken stock to it. Super good. But if you want it the classic Korean way, all you have to do is have a side dish of soy sauce. Dip the dumplings in that. Super good if you saturate them in soy sauce. Super, super good. But that's how Markiplier does it. Yeah, you can either make a soup out of it or just saturate those poor dumplings in soy sauce. But that's it. Doesn't have to be a 2-hour video. Don't overshoot. Stop making boring videos. Sorry for doing that in the past. I've learned my lesson. But I probably should plug the normal stuff. I have a Patreon because I want to pay my artists not in exposure bucks but in real dollars. I have a Twitter because I like to game, and that'll give you guys an outlet to actually reach out to me. As well as, it just seems like a good way to keep moving the community forward. I think that's it. I got a lot of projects I'm excited about. Got a lot of work ahead of me. Yay.